Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today is the 54's turn. We are gonna see, we just grabbed the battery off of the 59 and stuck it in there. For those of you who don't know, 53 was the last year of 6 volt, and then 54 switched over to 12 volt in Cadillacs, which is good because 6 volt's kind of a pain to work with. So anyway, we just swapped the battery over and we're gonna try to fire this one up. So I'm gonna set up my tripod and he's gonna do typical gas pouring and we're gonna see what this one does. Thanks for joining the video. Again, for you guys who are just joining the channel possibly, I bought these cars as a set and rumor has it that they were running 3 years ago. So we've got the 59 running now. Gonna try to get the 54 running. We haven't done anything to them. We're just gonna try to pour some gas in and see what we can get them to do. Ready?
You don't have gas yet, Sarah, don't worry. I flooded it now. I did, it's probably flooded now. Well, it did spark off.
Huh?
It did spark once. Yeah, we're probably not getting any spark. Some of those wires are shot. Not gonna go.
So as you guys can see, she wants to, but I know that we have a couple wires that are being kind of problematic. There's a wire, spark plug wire, that was kind of severed in half. What else were you saying was cut under there?
They don't get the resistor hooked up to the points. It's aftermarket resistor. I don't know. The points might have just collapsed or something. I mean, it fired, but
Yeah, it fired once.
it's just a matter of digging into the distributor and everything else probably, but I'm afraid all these wires are shot.
Got nice antifreeze water in there. We checked that already. Nice and clean. But at least we know she turns over and wants to fire up, so probably just a small little issue of, like I said, wires and things like that. Aftermarket fan on the radiator.
Timing.
Points, timing, yeah, all of the above.
But it's not locked up because it did fire.
Yep.
Not getting any gas yet. No, it has any in it. But I suspect that
59 did.
points are probably collapsed.
Yeah.
Dig into it. Just not getting any spark now, obviously. What it sounds like. In neutral.
Keep it running, it is. There we go. There's the fuel filter filling up. Sweet. There she is. I think we flooded the carb the first time through with his little pump can there. But there we go. Pretty good, right? Gee, you want to try to drive this one too? With the e-brake? Yeah, that's true. Our battery would fall out. But runs really good. We'll see if it goes into gear here in a minute. But again, we haven't checked fluids, haven't done anything on this car. Sounds good. Sounds better than the 59 does. The 59 sounds pretty bad. This one's at least a little bit quieter. You want to try it going into gear? It does sound better than the 59, a lot better. So for all potential buyers on this one as well, she runs. She runs good. Yeah, you got nothing when it comes to brakes. Goes into gear. And, oh, and moves. And goes into reverse. We are using the e-brake, so. Cool, cool. 30 pounds of oil pressure on our secondary gauges. 13 volts, so it's charging. That aftermarket one-wire alternator is doing its job. See if I can get a picture of this in here for you guys real quick. Here we go.
You said they were driving a couple years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, it went right into gear. There was no hesitation whatsoever. You guys. Huh? Yes, it is. Very, very solid. No rust, no rot. I mean, there is spots. You guys can refer back to my other video. There's small spots here and there. But as for like floors, things like that, very, very solid car. I'll tag the video on this car in the end of this one so you guys can check it out. But we just wanted to see if it ran today, and she's doing good. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in today. See you next time.